Hello, Namaste. Welcome to the distance education organized by NPABSAN Kaski. And today I am here to teach you on the topic of germinating seed. In our previous class, we deal about the germination, we deal about germination. Also, we learn about the inner part of the seeds and also the outer parts of the seed. So today I am going to teach you about the germinating seed. A seed can germinate only when there is a moisture. Yes, this is truth. To germinate a seed, there should be moisture. Also, moisture is not enough. Also, there should be suitable warmth. And air also needs sunlight for the growth of baby plant. For the growth of baby plant, also there should be presence of light. That light which is provided by sun. And when seed germinates, it gives a new plant. It gives a new baby plant. And this newly born plant is called seedling, or sometimes we also call sapling. So here is a question: what is seedling? So how to define seedling? When a seed germinate, when a seed germinate, it gives a new plant. It gives a new plant, the newly born baby plant. Baby plant is called seedling. Okay, this is the definition of seedling. When a seed germinate, it gives a new plant. It gives a new baby plant. And that newly born baby plant we call is seedling. And also sometime we call seedling as a sapling. Sometime we also call sapling. The seedlings are young and small. Yes, they are. Because they are just newly born. They are just newly born. They are young and too weak. And they can easily damaged by such as insects, hot and extreme cold, because their stem are very weak and they can easily damaged by hot, cold and also by insects. Their stem can easily damage. So the leaves and the stem are very soft. Also seedling, they have very soft and weak stem. That's why they can easily damage by hot and cold. And they need care to develop into mature plant. So we should have to care them to develop into mature plant. I am going to make you a figure of germinating seed. What it looks like. Okay, this is a seed and this is germinating from here. This is germinating seed. Also another seed is here. You can see here the germination. They are newly born, they are germinating. So these seeds shows that they are germinating. So the name is germinating seed. And this baby plant is called seedling. This is what? This newly born baby plant we call seedling. Or sometime we also call what? Do you know about that? I already told about that. That is sapling. Okay. These newly born baby plants are called seedling, or sometime we also call is sapling. A fully grown plant has roots, stem, branches, leaves, flower, fruits, etc. You know about that. We can see so many plants around us. In our environment, we can see small, tiny plants to very, very big plants we can see in our environment. And also we can see some are flowering, some are non-flowering, also we can see. So a fully grown plant, a mature plant, which means a mature plant, has roots, stem, branches, leaves, flower and fruits. As shown in figure, you can look at this figure shown here. The roots of the plant lies under the ground. Yes, you know about that. The roots of a plant which lies below the earth surface. That means under the ground. And we call root system. The part of a plant under the ground we call root system. And some parts of the plants such as stem, branches, the other part lies above the ground and we call shoot system. Flowers are beautiful. Yes, we all love flower because they are beautiful and they give beauty to the nature. Also while worshiping God, also we need flowers. So flowers are very, very important and also they are beautiful. Flowers are beautiful. Can you say why they are important? I already told you about that, because flowers are beautiful and also the fruits, they came from flower. Okay, students, the fruits came from flower. So that's why flowers are very, very important. A flower is developed from its bud. Bud is a part of a plant from where flower is developed. So if you observe the bud of a plant, it opens into flower after some days. If we observe the bud of a plant, bud means part of a flower which grows into flower. Bud is a part of a plant which grows into flower after some days. Okay, this flower after some times develops into fruits again. After some time, after some days or some week, again the flower that develops into fruits. You can observe in the garden how a flower develops into a fruit. Also, we can see in our environment, also in our garden, we can see the developing of fruits from the flower and bud. Is it clear? Just look at here one time. First of all, we have bud. Okay, bud that develops into bud open into what? Can you say? Bud open into flower. Okay, again flower that opening of flower, that change of flower which gives fruits. Like this bird that change, that develop into flower and the flower into fruits. Okay, so this type of change occur while coming fruits from bird. You can observe in the garden also as well how a flower develops into a fruit. Not all the parts of the flower develops into fruits. Students, try to understand. Not all the parts of the flower. That means flower also have different parts. A flower consists of different parts. You can see different part in flower. And all the parts of the plant does not develop into fruits. Some part of a flower only develop into fruits. This part named as ovary. The ovary parts of a flower develops into fruits. Okay, here is some exercise for you. You can do it at your home. And the topic is I do and understand it. Pick up the name of the fruits that grow in different types of plants, such as peach, mango, grapes, jackfruit, tomato, eggplant, okra, orange, beans, pineapple, apple and guava. Now classify the fruits of above plant into following categories. Okay, here you should have to classify. That means such as small plants. Some are small plants. Fruits grow in small plants. Fruits grow in vines. Fruits grow in big trees. There are three categories. That you can classify. Fruits have seeds inside them. Yes, fruits have seeds inside them. Many seeds and some have only one seed in them. Fruits that contain many seeds, also sometimes only one seed. You can check it out. Name any two plants which have only one seed in their fruit. So out of them, you can give two plants name which have only one seed in their fruit. Out of fruits that I told you before, just check and find the name of any two plants which have only one seed in their fruit. Also name 5 plants which have many seeds in them. So some plants contain many seeds in their fruit, but some plants contain only one seed, only single seed in their fruit. So this activity you can check at your home also. Now when seeds are planted and get suitable condition, they grow into new plants again. Yes, I told you in our previous class, also in today's class, I told you about that plants need suitable condition to grow from seed. Seed need suitable condition to grow to the new plant. During the time of germination, plants use the food stored in the seeds. During germination time, and you know about germination. What is germination? You know about that, is it? So during the time of germination, plants use the food stored in the seeds. Okay, when they develop roots and the leaves, then they can make their food themselves. So do you know where plants make their food? The plants make their food on their leaves. On their leaves. So while making food, plant use carbon dioxide, sunlight, water, etc. And students, do you know why the color of plant's leaf is green? Why color is green? Can you tell? This is because of presence of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the green pigment that makes plant leaf green. Due to presence of chlorophyll, the plant's leaf became green. So now I have some homework for you. You can do it home. The first question is, what is seedling? What is seedling? Just define what is seedling. And the next one is, write the different parts of a plant. Question number 3. Write the name of plant that contain single seed in their fruits. Okay, this much for today, and thank you class. We will meet in our next class. Bye.